Hello and welcome to this video tutorial based upon the mini golf game structure program. Today we'll be looking at the code behind producing such a foundation which you can use to produce miniature golf games. Now this is running a lot slower than it will run on your system because I'm capturing video here. However, you can see that the concept of the game is to strike the ball and try to seek the finishing hole. Let's see if I can do it. Ooh, just about missed it. As you can see, I simply change the angle of the ball and press the strike button and get it in the hole, and there you have it. The game is complete, as you can see here. So, how does this work? How did I produce the level? What makes the ball move? And how is the collision handled? Well, we're going to take a look at how this was put together. First, we're going to have a look at the 3D World Studio entities file. The entity file is used to produce point entities, which are located in 3D space and carry a series of properties, as is the case with the DBPRO UDTs, the user-defined types. These store properties that you can use for whatever purpose. They're up to you. You can add your own properties as you create your entity classes. Here we have the point class called light, which stores a color, intensity, range, and linear fall off. You, however, can produce as many entities as you like, and 3D World Studio will load these entities and enable you to add them into your world. For this particular demonstration, I've created two important entities which we need to consider in this program. The first one is the start position, which is simply where the player will start, the position where the ball will be placed at the start of the game, and then the hole position, which is where the ball must go into or go near in order for the game to be completed. So as you can see, the syntax here is the @ sign followed by the type of class, which is a point class, the name of the class, followed by a colon, followed by the name of the image used to display the class in 3D World Studio. In this case, it's the start image, and there's no extension. This is simply a folder. It contains an image called start.png. However, you just leave out the .png after the name, as is the case with the others. In your 3D World Studio installation, this might look a little different. All you simply do is copy one of the classes that ships with the program and enter in your own properties. In my case, I've entered a name and called it player start, and something similar for the hole position. I've simply selected the hole image and named the point class main hole. Now in your game you could have more than one hole, you could have more than one start position, you could have different holes provide different scores. Whatever you need to store in here, just simply add your variable to the end, and 3D World Studio will have this saved into the object's limb name, so you can retrieve this information in the object limb name, which we will take a look at later on. Now, on to the Dark Basic Professional project.